Hi there. In this video, we're going to look at how to create and log in to your VirtualSC account. Here's how. First, go to the iNNOVATE website. From there, scroll down just a little bit until you see VirtualSC. Click on that, and it's going to take you to the login screen for the VirtualSC program. From here, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to click on the Create Account button. Now, this is important. If you do already have an account, simply log in or use the click here to recover your password information to have it resent to your email so that we don't have multiple accounts for you in the system, which could cause problems with reporting grades. For this video, we're going to assume you don't have one already, and we're going to create one. Once you're here, it's going to ask you for a bunch of personal information, including your name and other information such as date of birth and phone numbers. Once you get a little further down, you will need to enter your school information. It's important to know that all Aiken iNNOVATE students actually belong to their home zone school. So for here, you're not going to see Aiken iNNOVATE pop up as an option. Just click your home zone school. For counselor, you need to choose Miss Erica Smith, and it will say Aiken iNNOVATE next to her. For student contact information, you'll continue to give it the information it needs, and then finally, you need to identify a parent or guardian. It's going to also generate an account for your parent or guardian that will be sent to the email that you list here, so be sure to use an email that your parent actually uses. Create some security questions, and then create a password. We highly recommend that your password be the same as your network password for your district so that it's easy to remember. Then click on Create Account. Once you've created an account, this is the view you're going to get. If you're already enrolled in a class, you'll come over here and you'll see it under the dashboard view. Click on Launch, and it will take you out of Genius and into the Moodle LMS. From here, click on the name of the course, and now you're in the course and can begin working.